If you are planning to buy a reconditioned laptop or a used PC, there are some important things you should always check before purchasing. What is the battery health? When was Windows installed? How old is the BIOS? Is the SSD or HDD in good condition? What are the actual hardware specifications of the device? Now, you can check all of this with just one click. I have developed a small and lightweight Windows software called WinInsaf PRO. All you need to do is click on Start Auto Scan, and it will instantly display complete hardware information in a single, clean dashboard. You will be able to see detailed processor or CPU information, RAM size and speed, SSD or HDD health status, battery health percentage, Windows installation date, BIOS version and BIOS release date, even the device serial number. Everything clearly organized in one place. The software is very small, around 10 megabytes after installation. No internet connection is required, no data is collected, and it is completely free. This tool can be especially useful for people who buy reconditioned laptops, resell computers, or work in IT servicing. The GitHub link is available in the comments. Feel free to download and use it. Thank you.